Howdy, 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 howdy. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, everybody. Brian here from quantlabs.net. I am now doing a Facebook Live on my desktop, brand spanking new, where I'm going to hopefully be able to share you a screen, just so you know. I always track my hair. It's really getting out of hand. I need a haircut. Please, I should start a GoFundMe account. Just give me a second here. I'm going to go into my other account here on Facebook. I want to see myself live because I'm into this ego surfing, as they like to call it, and see myself on Facebook. So just so you know, in a nutshell, everything's up. Everything is doing quite well in the world of, man, Facebook is not doing too good for me today. Hang on here. Let's see. Yes. Okay. I am going to watch myself on the internet. And here I am, live. Okay. So, on to the new thing. So apparently, I can share a screen on Facebook. So, interesting stuff. I don't know how to do this. So, let me see. I'm still on Facebook here. Let's see. How do I do the? I can't. I don't know how to show you the share screen because I'm doing everything on the desktop, not on the iPhone, which I'm going to be soon getting rid of. Just so you know, I have had a very strange thing happen to me. Hello, Robin. How you doing? A very strange thing happened to me. Just so everybody knows, I text on iPhone, and I also use Facebook, Google, YouTube, all the standard popular apps on iPhone. We all know that I believe very firmly that Google, YouTube track everything on your phone. And then they serve up ads in other browsers or anything where you connect to a website where you have Google Content Network. Here's the interesting thing. Apple iMessage is now doing the same thing where they serve the ads up to, again, Google Content Network. How do I know? You mention something on your text messaging, iMessage, within minutes on whatever site where it's serving up Google Content ads, you get topics from your text messages. And it happened to me twice yesterday. So I just want you to be aware of that. All right. So if I cannot show you the windows of my charts, I got some new charts I got on Monday. I've got some, thanks, man. Canal, yeah. Thank you. I appreciate that. I just wanted to let you know that I'm losing my mind here. I've got new charts coming. I've already put up some new charts, pie charts, and histograms, new ones using this open source project. Works really well. I've just got a new round of charts I'll be putting out in the next couple of days, and they're awesome. I got one that will track the spread in forex and tracks the bid and ask, and I'll chart it very close to live. So it's going to be very useful for folks. And there's some other good stuff I'm working on as well, and I've identified them, and I'm just packaging them together. And they'll work right across CFDs, crypto, and forex. So I'm going to go into my analytics. I've already done a video pre-recorded on my YouTube. It'll go up on my YouTube, so it's going to be very similar. So I'm here. I just don't know how to. Oh, here we go. Maybe options. Hang on here. I may have something. Just give me 1 minute. I have found a button here that will allow me to Facebook sharing options. Oh, I'm sorry to do this to people. Bizarre. I'm sorry. Next time I do this, I'm gonna research this first. Okay, so let's talk about CFDs. All right, so you can't see this, unfortunately, but I'm looking at Asia opened up last night. Asia, India was up 5% on an hourly basis. Japan was up 4.55. US Russell 2000 was up 4.55%. That's pretty good. And that's on a hourly basis. And when it held pretty good for a 3-hour basis, so I was pretty excited with that. Then I moved over into the world of forex. I'm going to give you the pairs as well. Now, I don't know if you follow me or not, but I've talked about the indexes the forex pairs on Oanda. All this data comes from Oanda. And interesting enough, with Oanda, right now, anything lira and Turkish lira and rand is doing quite well. I found a web page on Oanda where it'll give you the live cost for spread on certain pairs. The number one pair right now is the rand against the Japanese yen at 3.15% up. The cost of that spread is pretty small. It's right now at 1.1. So that is really good. Very low spread on the South African rand and against the Japanese yen. The Turkish lira is up 2.99% for an hour, and Turkish lira against the Japanese yen, that cost is, I'm just looking at it here, just give me a second here, 2.4. So it's very low. And the volumes of these things are very high. Right now, if you were to look at the volume on Oanda, right now you would have, number one would be New Zealand against Japanese yen, the Turkish lira against the Japanese yen. Now, right now, this is very close to live. Very close to live is the British pound, and how the British government is negotiating with the EU on the Brexit, and there's good news, and it shows in this. When you look at the top pairs that are moving anything to do with British pound, we're talking British pound against the Japanese yen, 2.9% move. British pound against the US dollar, 2.7% move. British pound against the Swiss franc, a 2.6% move. And the British pound against the Hong Kong dollar, up 2.67%. So the news out of Britain over the Brexit is very positive, and you're not only having one opportunity, you're having four at 2%, and this is no leverage, which is really good. So you're getting some decent returns on an hourly basis with that. Funny enough, there is something going on with the New Zealand and Japanese yen. I could probably find a news report that will drive that move up as well. What I'm finding with the news up at the volumes are quite high. I just wish I could show them to you on the pie charts here. The volume's quite high. The number one currency pair that has the highest volume right now is the New Zealand Japanese yen, and that pair is up. The New Zealand Japanese yen is up. Where am I? Okay, hang on here. Yeah, the New Zealand Japanese yen is up 1.7%, and on a 3-hour it was up 1.8%, and the volume is very high on that pair. Again, New Zealand Japanese yen. So I'm quite curious to know what is driving that. And those are usually the top 5. So I've given you how many pairs that are doing quite well right now. So we've got 7 pairs at over 7%. 7 pairs at 2% moves on an hourly basis, which is quite strong, quite high. The CFDs are doing just as good, probably better actually. Last night I'm trying to figure out if these moves are valid, but as of last night at 1 a.m. my time, I'm in Eastern Standard Time, the Indian 50 was up 5.11. Japanese 225 was up 455. The US 2000, which is the Russell, was up at 4.06, and the Hong Kong 33 was up 3.92. SPX 500 at 3.92, and the US 30 was up 2.98%. That is amazing. And again, the volumes, the funny thing is the volume that's at the highest is the Hong Kong 30. It's at 15,000 over an hour. That's quite strong. And I'm quite amazed at that. And but the IN, or the Indian 50, is at 553.11, which is about 1/3 the volume of the Indian. Sorry, 1/3 of the Hong Kong 30. So that's pretty strong, if you ask me. And right now the markets are up, and they're doing pretty strong. Now, this is where it gets really good. The forex, or sorry, the crypto is doing crazy right now. Let me just show you that. Crypto. If you guys got any questions, please chime in, put a comment in, and I'll do my best to answer the question. Right now, last week I said in one of my YouTube videos is that crypto is coming back. It's coming back, but it's coming back with a vengeance. When you look at where am I? Hang on here. I'm just got to get my correct page here. Okay, so right now, there are a bunch of cryptos. Sorry here. I'm trying to load up my my crypto here. My systematically generated crypto. Here. Okay, we got it. Okay, it's loading up right now. So right now, XRP Ripple was up 12%. There's one that's even doing way better. This is like an awesome move. I don't know why people are not trading crypto versus, I mean, we're doing okay in forex right now, doing pretty good actually. But right now, on an hourly basis, BTC against Bitcoin is up. Let me just verify this, 20.4%. So let me repeat that. BAT is up 20.4%. On a 3-hour basis, it's 19.72%. That is a huge freaking move. You could throw crap at it and still make money with that kind of move. ADA is up 8.15%. XLM is up 7%. And these are all against Bitcoin. XLM against BTC is 7.44%. XRP against BTC is up 6%. ADA against Ethereum is up 4.7%. Again, Ripple XRP against Ethereum is up 2.4%. So we've got some very clear winners there in terms of live pairs are doing really well right now. BAT against BTC is doing extremely well. So the volumes, XRP is dominating, and again, this is from Binance. XRP against BTC is dominating over 50%, over half of the volume of XRP against BTC is half of it. The total volume is on Binance right now, and that is up, as I reported. It's not doing as well as the other two, but it's still up 6.1%. That is pretty good. But you got BATC up 20%. Let me check the volume on that. So BATC was BATC. The volume is, it's the second one. So the top leaders right now by volume on Binance is XRP against BTC. Number 2 is BAT against Bitcoin, and then the number 3 is ADA against Bitcoin, and that is up right now 4.7%. So that's good, and they're sustaining over a 3% move. So those spikes are pretty solid. Those are really strong momentum plays right now that will, if you get in now, you may be able to get a little bit on the tail end or the mid-range of that spike. So you're doing pretty good. So I'm pretty excited to see that. Everything's just up, but you just got to know where to go. So I just wanted to let you know that. I've got the pre-recorded one. We'll give you the charts as well. I think it's done. It should go up in the next 10 minutes on the channel at youtube.com/quantlabs. And I'll put that up as well, so you can see the actual charts and the moves on that. But I just wanted to give you, because this is big, and it's rare to have all three on fire like this. So yeah, I'm pretty excited to see that. So I just want to let you know, if you got questions, let me know, and I'll chime in right now. As I said, I'm going to have better charts coming up in the next few days on the analytics service. I'm going to try to figure out how to get this working, like on the Facebook, to share my screens on Facebook Live. And then once I can do that, I can show you the charts instead of giving you the verbiage, and you watch me yammer away on that. Any comments or questions? If not, I'll just end it now, and I may come back in the next couple hours. I'll do another one tomorrow, see how it goes. I'm just testing right now just to see what works with people to get really a good audience, because I know if you're on my Facebook channel, just click a like. Not sure, there's another option there on the page that will let you know I'm doing live alerts, and it's going to be random times for now, but I will get it scheduled properly, and next Monday I'll do a formal one at 7 p.m. And again, hopefully I'll have all the new charts working. A lot of cool, we got heat maps, we got tree map views, we've got lots of charts. Like I said, there's going to be the one that focuses on the spread as well between the bid and ask. I can also do another one. We'll do a bid and ask live in real time. It's just the amount of data, what my server, my web server can handle as I push data into it. So I'll showcase that over the next few days. But then I'm going to build it up and then obviously go private with a paid audience for that. So just for now, that's what I'm doing. And again, you haven't seen my reports, but they go into very deep depth, and we haven't talked to the harmonics and the candlesticks, because that's what really works, and that's the convincing stuff. So if you got any questions, type them up now. Any comments, let me know before I end it. But thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Thanks for the thumbs up, Canalia. Appreciate it. Anybody else got any things? And so I'm saying hello to whoever's online and who's kind of dropped in and was online and so forth. Pretty exciting stuff with what Facebook's doing with this Facebook Live stuff. Anybody? I've got 12:04. I'll wait it out till 12:05 my time. No, maybe. Maybe no. Okay. We'll end it there. Thanks for watching. Appreciate it. And I'll report back on the charts and hopefully get the screens working within this Facebook extension for the sharing of my desktop screens on Facebook Live. Okay, I'll talk to you later. Thanks for watching.